बातचीत के लिए हमारे साथ डॉक्टर्स हैं, उनसे आपका परिचय करा दें। कोकिलाबेन धीरूभाई अंबानी अस्पताल में हार्ट रिदम सर्विस के हेड डॉक्टर वेंकट डी नागराजन हमारे साथ हैं। अपोलो अस्पताल में इंटरवेंशनल कार्डियोलॉजी और डायरेक्टर कैथ लैब डॉक्टर सरिता राव हमारे साथ हैं। आप दोनों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। डॉक्टर वेंकट, आपसे हम शुरुआत करना चाहेंगे। ये जो समस्या आ रही है अभी, चूंकि सेलिब्रिटीज़ की डेथ होती है तो बड़ी उस पर चर्चा होती है, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि जो रिस्क है सीवीडीज़ का, वो अब 40 से कम के लोगों में भी बढ़ रहा है। पहले ऐसा मानते थे कि कम से कम 45-50 साल के बाद इसकी शुरुआत होती है। क्या वाकई ऐसा हो रहा है, और हो रहा है तो क्यों?
Yes, I think there is increase in the risk, there is increased incidence of sudden cardiac death. तो पहले हम डिफाइन करेंगे ये सडन कार्डियक डेथ क्या है। सडन कार्डियक डेथ की टर्म हम यूज़ करेंगे व्हेन ए पर्सन experiences death or dies within 1 hour 60 minutes of onset of symptoms. So उनका the main reason for sudden cardiac death is the electrical instability in the heart. ये दिल जो है, suddenly there is an electrical instability and it goes very very fast. And वो timely action नहीं ली, if we don't take a timely action, then the heart can stop. So the vast majority of cases, the sudden cardiac death, 80%, 80% से ज़्यादा the underlying cause is coronary artery disease, जैसा आपने बताया था. So the underlying cause is the heart attack, and also we know that 50% of people that die because of heart attack die within the first 1 hour because of the sudden cardiac death. ये heart जो है एकदम से it actually becomes quite unstable, goes very fast and then stops. Now off late, because of the social media and all that, when a celebrity, कोई very very famous personality experiences this, and we have heard recently a very popular singer on a stage has experienced the symptoms, then it becomes a sensational news. And also there has been an increase in the number of people that have been experiencing sudden cardiac death under the age of 40. इसके कई कारण है. One is our changing lifestyle. So our lifestyles are different from the previous generation, and people are leading a much fast-paced life. The type of diets, the sort of dietary habits, all these have changed. People's life is much more sedentary. ये जो एक्सरसाइज है, जो प्रीवियस जनरेशन को नेचुरली मिल रहा था, अभी हमको कोशिश करना है कि हमको जिम जाना है, शाम में वॉकिंग करना है, शाम में एक्सरसाइज करना है, दिन भर पीपल आर स्टेइंग इन देयर ऑफिसेस. सो देयर इज इंक्रीज इन दी risk factors for coronary artery disease even in young people. Now we are seeing that even people in their 20s and 30s are experiencing heart attacks, and that the main reason is now we are in the center of diabetes pandemic in the world. So I mean, India is the capital of diabetes, we can say that. That's because people are more and more using fast foods, more and more they are sort of visiting restaurants, and the lifestyle has changed very much. And also there has been recently a study which shows that people, only 1 in 10 people that have got the diagnosis or that have hypertension, their blood pressure is well controlled. So people are also ignoring symptoms. That is the second factor. So when we are talking about young people experiencing sudden cardiac death, so we have also seen footballers playing football, and on the field they actually collapse. So then you may question, this man is playing sports, he is a high intensity athlete, why is he experiencing sudden cardiac death? So sudden cardiac death, I said that 80% of cause is because of underlying coronary artery disease, but there are other 20% causes which are because of the abnormality of the heart muscle. ये जो heart muscle है, that becomes weak, and that is called as cardiomyopathy. And ये cardiomyopathy के कई कारण हो सकते हैं. One is because of the fibrosis. दूसरी कारण ये है कि ये हार्ट का सेल्स जो है उनमें दे आर born with some abnormality, okay, and that can cause cardiomyopathy as well, and some of these run in the families. So if there is a first degree relative, आपके फैमिली में किसी ने सडन कार्डियक डेथ एक्सपीरियंस किया है, then it becomes very essential that you get yourself checked, because your risk of experiencing sudden cardiac death increases.
ठीक है.
And also we know that excess drinking or what we call as binge alcohol drinking. अगर आप वीक में 6 ड्रिंक्स पीते हैं, that is okay, spread over
ठीक
3
है
days.
डॉक्टर साहब,
But all
लेकिन
those 6 drinks if you drink
आपकी बातचीत से एक चीज मैं थोड़ा साफ करना चाहता हूं। ये जो आपने 20% केसेस बताए, तो क्या जो यंग